check. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good morning, everybody. Previously on Kimba TV. You got to be thinking it's going to open with a huge gap, and it's also going to have this from yesterday. So sometimes you guys will be like, you're looking to long that, aren't you? And I'm like, man, exposed. Is the correlation is higher up, meaning like 41 hundo. So that means that this could pull it down. Oh, get nasty. Man, as soon as I walk outside. Well, at least we're getting it. I can't believe they waited until I went outside. That's fucked up. I'm sure there's maybe one more violent pullback that does not invalidate the bullishness. So watch out. We got PCE coming out in 3 minutes. What do you know what would be sick? If it's like 0.2, 0.3, it's probably gonna, we're probably gonna get bulla a little bit. It's gonna be a wonderful day. 60 seconds, y'all. What's going on, Phelps? Yesterday trade was a loss or free roll from your point of view? Free roll. I think I made like $1,000 or something. I got stopped out. I'm not in anything right now. But isn't there like a 1 hour div here? And that's golden pocket. I don't know if you guys remember this. It's literally pixel perfect golden poquito. So that would have been a really nice long, but no, I am not in anything right now. Here we go. PCE coming out. Woo! PCE is out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get nasty, y'all. Oh, snap dizzle. Here we go. Is it going to get nasty right now real quick? Watch out for phase 1 and phase 2. Okay. It's trying. It's trying. Personal income went to 0.3. Personal spending 0.2. Oh, it's getting nasty. Here we go. Okay, 4065 broken. Y'all know what it is. Oh, snap dizzly. Oh, let's go. All right, I have my plans. 4065 broken. Ooh, can it get above it? Can it get above it? Can it get above it, ladies? Can you get it? Come on now. Turn it into support. Turn it into support. Okay, PCE was not bad. 0.3. God, I would love to see a move to like 40.50 or 40.30, you know? 3, 2, 1, and we're off. Let's get nasty. Can I get the 40.50? Come on, bitches. All right, here we go. Markets are open, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck, y'all. We got big options expirations today. Here we go. Here we gonna bring it, retail. Look at this. Bring it. Oh, they're going to pump this bitch. They're going to pump this bitch. Let's get nasty with it. Let's get nasty. JP Morgan. Can we get above that freaking 4065? Woo! Big ass order flow. Let's go. Big ass order flow. Let's get nasty. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, snap diddly, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, snap diddly. Snap diddly. We're not even at, oh, snap. Oh, snap. You already know, oh, you know what I'm saying? Let's get nasty, y'all. I mean, I guess I'm going to just execute my plan. My plan was to correlate the level, so let's get nasty with it. We might get to 1.5 mil today. We might get the 1.5 mil today. We got all day, too. The markets just opened 6 minutes ago, y'all. We got all day. This is work from last Friday, y'all. Last Friday. We said, oh, shit, look at the options expirations. Oh, shit, we need to get into a long. Are we interpreting the data correctly, yes or no? That's all that matters. The money follows. Let's go. This is my first area of interest, but I'm correlating with S&P. I have TPs there. I have some TPs here, but am I gonna get into a short? I don't know, not yet. I was hoping that would correlate to like 40.75 or 41 hundo. So if you were here yesterday, Ricardo, the plan is the same, brother. We'll look to see if there's going to be a short possibility. I still got my longs. You know, we got the gammas, and we're just trying to correlate the levels. Let's go to 40.75. And you know what? If we get to 29.5, we'll do like a nice little giveaway. Yeah, all we need is confluence with S&P, right? So we've identified the levels, but we would still need some sort of edge, right? Or confluence. Yeah, we're almost there, but it's, you know, if S&P is gonna, like, if S&P goes to 41 hundo and it lines up at the top of the box, how amazing would that be, right? But I would need a div or something. And the other thing too that you got to keep in mind is if we get up here, but we don't immediately start reversing, the reversing might be Monday, which means that over the weekend we could have another scam pump. All right, so if we hit 29.5 today, we'll do a quick $1,000 giveaway. Starting around the 10th, we're gonna start giving away $1,000 every day. Hey, I drank a whole thing of Monster. I've had 2 cups of coffee. I'm trying my best. Let's go. Cage Win says, I could see a sweep right now into that box, or it could be over the weekend. When it does a wick like that, that's prime for a sweep, right? When it wicks like that, I could see us going back over the weekend too and grabbing it. Yep. So I'm not gonna rush into anything, and if I miss like a huge nuke, so be it. You know, if it really looks like it's gonna nuke, then I'm gonna just pull the swing high, swing low, and try to catch like a 382 or a golden pocket. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna really pressure myself into the short. That being said, I mean, look at the golden pocket and the Kimba box kind of play out. So that's pretty cool. You know, we're aware of this, and we're aware of 40.75. We are also aware that the gamma exposure is extremely high, and our main thesis is that there's going to be a big retracement. So with every passing minute, it would not surprise me for a little poo-poo, right? And since we're expecting a big pullback, if it doesn't pull back, you know, then I think the probability of going back over the weekend would be higher. And then dump on Monday or Tuesday or something like that. If I get into a position or I feel like there's going to be volatility, I'll probably stream for like 3, 4, 5 hours over the weekend. Because I probably will be looking at the charts for a couple hours. I did a 7-day fasting detox. It was interesting. Shout outs to Phelps. That's awesome, man. Jalay Tahib, you are awesome. No, you're awesome. Jalady, I love you, bro. Thank you for the kind words, man. Cage wins. Colin, fairly new here. Well, welcome, Colin. Shout outs to Colin. Let's go, Colin. EV Pos has just finished driving. Good. What did you miss? Not much, man. The gammas are still the gammas. So in regards to what might be new, I did do my best to try and figure out what might correlate to 40.75. So I do have a little box there. It's Kimba box and descending triangle TA. But I mean, you know, that I don't really know about that. But yeah, 786 golden pockets window right there, along with like a technical TA target of a descending. That's the best I could do because there's not much POC here. So, you know, trying to correlate, right? The only thing that we really have to do is correlate, do our best, anticipate. If this is going to fall, where would Bitcoin fall to? And we could be wrong, but we just do our best, yeah? And just to keep in mind, EV Pause, 2 things that we're testing on our thesis, right? First thesis is, are the gamma walls going to get respected? I think no matter what, that's a yes. Second thing is, how will the gamma exposure play out? Whenever there's more than like $1 billion, in my opinion, there's a possibility for a retrace. Last week, we got it. But it's not about does it do it every single time. Sometimes when it doesn't do something that has a high probability, that in and of itself is a signal. So if it doesn't have a big retrace by market close, that would give me a slightly higher probability that maybe we scam pump over the weekend on Bitcoin. Not financial advice. I'm an island boy. Obviously, paying attention to open interest and liquidation maps and seeing who's getting trapped and who isn't is going to guide you, I think, over the weekend. Fibonacci levels too. But yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. The other thing too is Monday is a brand new month and week. And what I mean by that is all the gamma stuff that we've been looking at. I'm going to delete all of these lines on Monday morning. You know, so first week, first month, or excuse me, first week of the month, first day of the week, you already know the gamma and the options are not going to be that populated. So we're going to be flying blind on Monday and Tuesday. You know, and realistically, what we'll probably do is the exact same thing that we did last Friday in preparation for this Friday. Is the week before CPI, we'll start looking at how the gamma and the gexes are building up for that. And then maybe 3-4 days in advance, we'll try to get into a position so we can move into that event with a green trade. So the worst thing that happens is we get stopped out in profit. Something like that. So yeah, so I think, you know, I will probably be respecting a 1 hour div and POC or golden pocket confluence, and I'll attempt a whole bunch of shorts, but I'm gonna keep that bid super tight, and I'm gonna try to get as much edge so that worst case scenario it's like a break even. You know, if it's only like a bear div, I'm probably not gonna take it. If it's a bear div at a golden pocket, I'll probably take it. You know, if it's like a naked point of control or any sort of level, then definitely take it, but tight stop. Well, again, it all depends on how the rest of the market plays out. 29, 30, 31, I think is still in play. So you would expect some sort of pullback or a big retrace. And, you know, obviously if it does that, then Bitcoin's going to get pulled down pretty hard. And there's also liquidity down there. What's cool, though, is that first liquidity pocket correlates with the... So like 28, 27, 9, 50, it's right there. So this with Fib, this is also Kimba box. And this is also descending triangle 5th grade TA target. And you also have liquidity there. So I think that's a pretty interesting level for whether it's 40.85 or 40.75. But you can also see like it's uncalibrating, like earlier, we were talking about 40.75 being this. Now we're possibly talking about 40.85 being that. So you just kind of have to constantly adjust and try your best to see what could match. Ben says, do your thing. Let's go, big boy. Let's go, big boy. Phelps says, 1 hour bear div incoming. Who knows? Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. It would be a pretty good attempt, Phelps. You know what's not financial advice, Phelps, but I would be looking maybe around like 28,150, 28,1, 28,000, somewhere between 28,000 and 28,200. Is kind of like an interesting area. So, to be honest with you, I think I would prefer to long that than to short up top, but I'll do both. I'll do both. Bitcoin Lennon says, brother, I'm out. You're going to be my new listening tool during the market. Hey, Bitcoin Lennon. Love you, Bitcoin Lennon. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. We'll miss you, but hopefully we'll see you on Monday. All right, Bitcoin Lennon? Love ya. Okay. All right. Wow, what a crazy day. Phelps, all right, let me, I'm going to go let us up real quick and get some coffee, and we can start doing some TA, but I think it's maybe better to let S&P completely finish up. So we'll keep an eye on this, but wow, what a crazy day! What a crazy day! Let's give it up for S&P, man. All right, I'll be right back. Confirmation of 1 hour bear dividend. Yes, it could. Some Googie. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And it's the weekend. So it's one of those times, Son Googie, where you could either front run the bear div or you could let it form, confirm, let it drop, and then on the golden pocket resistance is when maybe you could try to short it, right? Because at least you would know you could put your stop loss behind the 886. So that's, you know, if I'm going to short, I might just let the bitch form and confirm and drop, and then I might try to get the 382 or the golden pocket. And I think I would prefer to long like 28.1 or 28. I'll be right back. Damn, I'm kind of tempted to take this. Big lettuce. Did you guys hear me? Who heard me out there? No, well, yeah, I was puffing, but did you hear what I said though? S10 says, oh, you longed? Yeah. Did you hear? Did people hear me outside regarding this? Yeah, you had to be paying attention a little bit. I drew the fib before I left, and I said, I'm tempted. Damn, I'm kind of tempted to take this. But we're just taking a shot. Did you hear what I said earlier, though? I would prefer to long between the 28 and the 28.2. Yes? The box that we drew. Shailene, are you looking at Confluence at 28K or just risky blind long? No, we talked about it, Shailene, pretty thoroughly. I'll give you the quick synopsis of it. So you got this, you got VWAP, you got this parallel channel that it might build over the weekend, right? You're gonna have value area clusters. Okay, that kind of looks like a dick. Golden swing high, swing low, golden pocket. That's also Kimba box. That's Kimba box. So you have a lot of confluence. The only thing that I would do is, like we were saying, some sort of long down here. And then if it does go back up one more time and the 1 hour and the 15 is still there, I might short it. Also, if this makes a lower low, I will take the swing high, swing low, and I'll probably look for a golden pocket, you know, or it might be like this basically getting turned into resistance, the point of control. So if I get stopped out and I miss a short and it makes a lower low, then I might be trying to see if this gets turned into resistance. So probably looking for a div on golden pocket or div on the POC, and I might take that short. Daily candle close, weekly candle close, monthly candle close. March is wrapped. 25% of this year is done. Some of you guys, we have officially crossed the 12-month barrier. Wow. Good shit. Shout outs to everybody. Thank you guys for stopping by. Love you guys, man. All right, you guys. As always, it really doesn't matter if you're bullish or bearish, long or short. I'm always going to root for all of you guys. So salute and stay safe. And shout outs to people that are going to be trading over the weekend. I will be. You know, if anything crazy happens, I'll definitely pop on Discord. Maybe a surprise stream, possibly. So, Destruction Phelps, Sky Kane Falling, Via Bong, Astro Tire Fixer, Nilder, Liamzi Phelps. Hey, make sure you guys show some love to MGK, by the way, for those amazing highlight videos. Watch the golden pocket up here. Golden pocket getting rejected would be bearish, yeah? Making a lower low would be bearish. You already know what it is. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. Incoming volatilities. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimber is my name. Trading is my game. Be cool is my focus. Charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate. Golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.